Hello everyone. This is Nick from Yardman Garden and Arts TV, and I hope everyone doing just airy. Alright? Today I'll be sharing this video with you, and I'm gonna be using my machete again. I did sharpen it a bit more from the last video that I shared. You know, cutting the grass on the ground. So today I'll be cutting in the air. Up high. So I'm gonna be cutting down these trees. This is the back side of my house, so it's getting shaded from this tree, and I do grow some stuff around here, so I wanna get rid of them so that they doesn't block the sun as much as they're doing right now. So yeah, I'm using my machete, cutting down the trees up, so it's always safe to be careful on how you're swinging it, and don't cut yourself. Alright? Watch me do some action for a while. Nick from Yardman Garden and TV, and hope everyone is having a good time, and getting out in the environment and keeping active. Yeah, man. I'm losing my hat. Anyway, did but this just in case I see anything that was higher than I could reach. So just to be more safe. think that will do for now. Let me point it to the ground a bit here. And put it to the ground. But yeah, you know, it's kind of hiding the sun some more, you know. And I do plant some stuff behind here. So it's good to get this higher bush get going. And it's not it's not good trees, you know what I mean? So I'm not destroying any you know, specific of species of tree that is, you know, good for any, you know, specific purpose. Than it's just wild bush growing between the fence between me and my neighbors, and they probably should just get rid of completely. But you know, sometimes it's good to have, you know, a little shade as well, and a little, you know, privacy there or whatever. And so yeah, I'm gonna lower this a bit, show you what's going on more on the ground, and clean up the air more. Right, the machete, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna cut these and leave them on the ground to kind of, I guess, mulch back into the earth, you know. I'll leave like a little bed of leaf on the ground, right? But yeah, like the sticks I'll take away. And behind here there's some nice wild, you know, bush growing and some nice wildflower. I know a lot of them got damaged a while ago, but yeah, like these on the ground, I will leave some of these wild plants growing. See some wild tree growing out of the fence here. I'm gonna get rid of it as well. See, like these, I might shave these, you know. Use them for stake in my garden, you know what I mean? A long stake already. To do natural, you know? I have this baby Christmas tree, evergreen tree. I'm gonna get rid of it because it's like right in the way of the fence, and it's not really serving much purpose. So sorry to the tree, sorry to Mother Nature, but I'm gonna take this one too, you know. Yeah, this machete is not the sharpest either. Oh yeah, this evergreen tree. It was really cute when it was small, but it got so big and it's kind of drying up and not doing so well anyway. So you know, sorry to the tree, but I have to take it at the moment. Alright. Gonna move this a bit. So yeah, how much light is coming in and all that difference. need to get rid of those parts as well too. Some of those, you know. But yeah, just a little action, letting in the light in the area, you know, so that I can get planting. Alright, I'm gonna cut it at the moment. I hope everyone is having a wonderful evening, afternoon. I think it's maybe like a little after 4 here. Alright, peace to everyone, and subscribe to my channel, you know, like and share, and you know, keep the motivation going, and you know, don't afraid to comment in my video, you know what I mean, and you know, tell me your favorite tool in the garden you like to use, you know, and how much you use the machete, you know, and how well can you use it, and you know. So yeah, conversate with me, and you know, we get it going. Alright, Nick from Yardman Garden and Arts TV. Like, subscribe to my channel, share my content, and stay tuned and see you in the next video. Alright, bless up. Peace to the people, one love, and you know, guidance. Alright.